Hey, Jonathan here. Today I've got some big news that I'd like to share with you. In just a couple of weeks' time, I will be leaving my data science job to work on more videos to try and teach you some cool new stuff, as well as have some time to work on all the different ideas that I've got floating around up in my head. If you're new to this channel and you're keen to learn the latest tips, tricks, and tools for working more effectively with data, please hit the subscribe button for weekly videos. So you might be wondering why. Why am I doing this? What am I going to be doing? And how did I get to this point? So first up, I just want to say I have a really great job. I get to learn data science and effectively get paid pretty well to do it. I have a fantastic, really supportive boss, the ability to gain exposure at industry presentations, get fit, and learn new skills with pretty much just the time of my lunch breaks. This job has given me the ability to spend time with my family, and I'm actually really going to miss it. I have been extremely lucky, and I just want to say that there is actually opportunity everywhere. The key thing is, no matter how busy you are, you have to make time for the things that matter to you. So whether you want to learn data science, pick up a new hobby, spend more time with your kids and family, you just have to make the time to do those things. So why am I leaving? So a little less than a year ago, I started teaching some online courses. So this is the first course that I taught here, R Tidyverse Reporting and Analytics for Excel users. And when I first built this, I didn't really think that many people would actually take it. But a few months on, I had ended up developing 3 courses reaching over 11,000 students in over 140 countries, which absolutely just kind of blows my mind. I have some really awesome students who are doing some really cool and amazing things, and they helped me to realize that I had something to offer and I could really make a difference. So I want to teach more. Some of the stuff I'm looking to cover includes big data, data science, machine learning, and cloud computing. But that's really only half the story. See, the thing is, information is actually less important than the learning strategies. Because 90% of information is actually not relevant. And the relevant information of today actually won't be relevant tomorrow. So, one of the key things is the ability to learn quickly and efficiently. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is that I actually picked up R programming in just one day. Now, that doesn't mean I was suddenly an expert at everything R programming, but what it did mean was that I was able to start using it to start saving me time and getting my job done more efficiently and more effectively. Over the last few years, I've used these same skills for rapidly picking up a few new skills just within my lunch breaks. What would you do if you could learn a programming language in a day? What would you do if you could access millions of dollars of tech for practically nothing, which is what open source and cloud computing now pretty much gives us? What if you could learn 5 times faster? Wouldn't that be cool? Maybe you could get paid to learn data science. Learn new skills in your lunch break. Spend more time with loved ones. Or maybe you could start your own business. Develop education and software to change the world. If you want to find out more about what I'm doing, you can check out my websites at www.redefinewhatspossible.com and www.datastrategywithjonathan.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.